Jai Hind students, today we discuss Political Science Chapter 5 Working of Institution. Our today's topic is Parliament. Dear students, in a democracy, people of the nation participate in the decision making through their elected representative. An important feature of any democratic government is the consent of the people. It ensures that the government is responsible to the people. As you know, in our country, it is not possible for people to meet at a particular place to discuss major issues. So we elect our leader to the legislature. The legislature is known as Sansad or Parliament in India. The legislature is known as the Sansad or Parliament in India. The Parliament in our system has immense power because it is the representative of the people. Election to the Parliament are held in similar manner as they are held for the state legislature. प्यारे बच्चों, स्टार्ट करते हैं हम पार्लियामेंट के बनने से. इट इज was designed by the British architect Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker in 1912 और 13. ये इंडिया की न्यू एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कैपिटल को डिज़ाइन करने के लिए इनको चुना गया. कंस्ट्रक्शन of the Parliament houses began in 1921 and it was completed in 1927. Students, you know, in a parliamentary system of democracy, the legislature comprises the two houses of parliament. In the legislature that make laws for the country, the prime minister is the real head of the government as well as the leader of majority party in the parliament. He or she chooses minister to form the council of ministers. The prime minister along with the council of ministers plays an important role in legislation. प्यारे बच्चों, आपको मालूम है कि पार्लियामेंट है. पार्लियामेंट हमारा दो हाउसेस से मिलकर बनता है. एक है राज्यसभा और दूसरा है लोकसभा. प्यारे बच्चों, अगर हम ऑर्गन्स की बात करें तो 3 ऑर्गन्स होते हैं पार्लियामेंट के. एक राज्यसभा, एक लोकसभा और एक प्रेसिडेंट. प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पार्लियामेंट को पार्ट 5, अगर हम आर्टिकल की बात करें तो आर्टिकल 79 से 122 में पार्लियामेंट के बारे में बताया गया है। प्यारे बच्चों, वाई डू वी नीड अ पार्लियामेंट, ये हम अपनी नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे। आई होप हिस्ट्री ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद।